Shimmer and shine save the rainbow. Something is wrong. Zarame falls. A purple mist touches the genies. Now they cannot fly. Leia, Shimmer, and Shine follows the mist to the rainbow falls. Uh-oh, there is no purple water. Princess Samira says, all the colors in the rainbow falls have to be there for genie magic to work. Shimmer, Shine, and Leia will help save the day. They take the magic boat to Rainbow Zarame. They meet Ima, a rainbow genie. She can fix the rainbow falls, but she needs her staff. Leia spots the staff. Two critters have used it to turn off the purple water in the falls. The critters use the staff again and turn off the blue water. A blue mist appears. The blue mist makes shooting stars. The friend runs after the critters. The critters turn the green water into a green mist. The green mist makes the ground bouncy. The friends bounce after the critters. The critters turn the red water into a red mist. The red mist brings red chickens. Then the critters turn off the yellow and the orange water. Oops! They break the staff. All the water from the rainbow falls is trapped in a giant genie bottle. The friends must open the bottle. They bounce to the top. Working together, they push the stopper off the bottle. All the colors pour out. Genie magic works again. Shimmer and Shine fix Ima's staff. Colors are back in the rainbow falls and the genies can fly again. The genies and Leia are glad they met Ima. They are lucky to have a new friend. The end. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!